asparagus tips, which I've already. We're gonna do 4. A pack of turkey bacon, Oscar Mayer turkey bacon, and then what I'll do is I'll cut them. Cut them about a half an inch, couple inches, and then they'll fit inside the air fryer. Use Parmesan cheese as well. You'll see how we're going to do that. So there we go. And we'll use the same. We'll do 4 slices of bacon. So you just do it like that. Take some Parmesan. And you don't need a lot. You just take a little bit and just spread it across like so. That's all you really need to do. Take your asparagus and just kind of wrap it like so. Doesn't have to be perfect as long as you get it wrapped around in a circle like that. Kind of like a spiral. And there's your first one. All right, the rice is nice and done, and we're good. So we'll put these to the side for now. Add them to the inside of our air fryer. And so what I do is I get some parchment paper, and I layer the parchment paper inside the Ninja air fryer, and then I add each piece one by one. So we get 1. They're just going to be wrapped, and when you cook them, they'll be nice and tight. There you go. 2, 3, and last but not least, number 4. And wrap them up nice and nice right there. As you can see, they're nice and nice in there. And they would just add them into the air fryer. And just stick them in right inside the air fryer here. Nice and there. You want to put it on, power it up. You put on roast. And time is 10 minutes. And then you start it. All right, so then we're all done. And look at that. Nice and cooked asparagus. Awesome. Put it right here. Awesomeness to perfection. Good stuff. During this time of lockdown, nice, quick and easy meal. Turkey bacon wrapped around asparagus. Very good in the air fryer, and you're done. It's very tasty.